Hi guys! Follow me on tour of McDowell Nature Preserve. This is a two-part series, so stay tuned for a lot of exciting information. Now, the McDowell Nature Preserve is located in North Carolina, Charlotte to be specific, very close to the South and North Carolina border. McDowell Nature Preserve sits on 1,116 acres of land with 9 trails totaling nearly 7 miles. McDowell also sits on the beautiful Lake Wylie. With this much space, there is so much to do, anywhere from camping, kayaking, fishing, jogging, nature classes at the nature center, and even a playground for the kiddos. So, to start off our tour, we are going to visit the McDowell Nature Center. The McDowell Nature Center is the go-to stop for all information McDowell. So once you are here, you will notice how beautiful the surroundings are. There is a map that shows you where you are located and where all the other trails are. Follow me while we check out the McDowell Nature Center. In the Nature Center, you will be welcomed by a wonderful staff, but in addition to that, the Nature Center has a lot of information and a lot of activities for kids. They have classes, educational programs, summer camps, and they have a discovery hall. Whenever the snakes shed their skin, they leave a display where you can actually touch and feel what these outer skins feel like. At McDowell, you can rent fishing equipment, as well as they host a lot of different things. So you can host a birthday party here. You can if you homeschool, you can partner with them for educational programs. There's even a little cute gift shop for their merch, so you can get your teas if you're a camper, an outsider. If you love nature, there is merch for you. So that wraps up the Nature Center. Now we are going to go to the pavilion. The McDowell Pavilion is a great space to just chill, relax, and also meet with large groups of people and hang out. You can host a large event here, so I frequently see family reunions or church groups meet here. They love this space because it has running water, it's very well maintained, it has restrooms, and it's just a nice place to sit. It's so beautiful in the fall. I just love it. Just a change of leaves, colors, it's fantastic. Now that wraps up the pavilion. Now we're headed to my favorite trail, which is called the Four Seasons Trail. So put your hiking boots on or comfortable sneakers, because we will be doing about a half a mile walk. You'll notice that on your way to certain trails, there are other trails there as well. And a lot of the trails intersect with each other, so you can jump from one trail to the other. Wow, you've made it this far. Thank you so much for watching my video. While you're here, click the link to my Etsy shop for all handmade hair, beard, and body care products. You can save an additional 10% by using code SAVE10 upon checkout. The Four Seasons Trail is about 0.4 mile long. It's a small circle that goes around a section of the park. It has a stream that runs through it, which goes to the Lake Wylie. And the stream is actually a very hot spot for families and young kids. This trail is very accessible, so it's a great walk if you have a stroller, if you're on a wheelchair and so forth. It's a very easy stroll. Take your time, just be in nature, observing the trees, the squirrels, the birds. It's really nice, really quiet, very peaceful. Earlier I had mentioned that whenever you're walking on the trails, you'll notice that other trails are connected. So this path leads to the Creekside and the Pine Hollow Trail. So if you're tired of Four Seasons, you can always divert and go to another trail. And all trails are labeled. So for example, this red triangle means that you're in the Four Seasons trail. Other trails have different symbols. So that gives you an idea of where you are, just in case maybe you get lost or you think you're lost. And it also lets you know, okay, I'm still on the trail, I haven't diverted off of it. What I like about this trail is all the seating area it has. So you don't have to walk it all on one go. You can walk a little, sit and relax, and then be on your way. Then that wraps up our part 1 tour of McDowell Nature Preserve. So you've seen the Nature Center, the Pavilion, and one of their accessible trails, the Four Seasons Trail. So stay tuned for our next video, which will show more of the park, the beautiful Lake Wiley, the playground, and fishing area. So like, share, and subscribe, and please remember to click on that notification bell. Thanks for watching.